The healthcare industry is under siege.
We end up doing a lot of things that cause more harm than benefit for patients.
Rising costs.
Healthcare costs are the tapeworm of our economy.
Lower reimbursements.
Under the current system, doctors are sending patients repeatedly to get tests done that aren't needed.
Provider inefficiencies and waste.
And they're doing it to save their butts or cover their butts, essentially, so they're not being sued.
All of it has doctors struggling to find solutions to providing quality care, while at the same time cutting waste and improving efficiency.
That about 30% of U.S. healthcare spending is devoted to unnecessary services.
One company is making positive headlines, Emerge CDS. Their software is now being described as one of the most innovative healthcare improvement products to hit the market in over a decade.
I became amazed at the power that it truly has in helping us make those clinical decisions.
Emerge Clinical Decision Solutions, changing the way cardiologists operate. It's a real-time software solution, helping doctors across America improve care and save lives.
It now gives us a product that can help analyze the data that's there and provide us with decision-making skills.
Dr. Robert Cowell specializes in electrophysiology at HeartPlace in Dallas. He says Emerge is helping his fellow cardiologists, who specialize in other areas, identify heart failure patients that otherwise would have gone unnoticed.
What I think it does as well as anything is to prevent missed opportunities. So if there are patients who have problems and they come to the office and they have a variety of different complaints, often you can just lose track of important issues because you're focused on the initial complaint the patient has. It also gives me the opportunity, if there's an issue that it brings up that I don't directly cover, that I can notify a physician who does cover that problem.
Emerge easily integrates with any medical records data management system. Once installed, it filters patient data through a patented algorithm, streamlining the diagnosis process and ensuring nothing is overlooked.
I know that there are certain things that will be checked for me. It makes me think about those things ahead of time even, and so I'm much more efficient when I'm going through patients' data looking for those things because I'm constantly being prompted.
Now in use in dozens of patient care facilities, Emerge CDS is proven to increase identification of cardiac diseases by as much as 300%. Dr. Kenneth Johnson is not only an interventional cardiologist, he has an MBA and is the Chief Strategy Officer for HeartPlace.
To have a software system that actually looks at the data points that we look at to make patient care decisions and roll that into an algorithm that helps us define patients that we might be missing otherwise is innovative because there's nothing else that does that to that capacity.
By increasing condition recognition rates in high-risk patients, the Emerge solution quickly pinpoints the necessary testing and procedures, cutting out unneeded and wasteful ones, saving the doctor's time and the patient's money.
One of the most powerful features of Emerge is that it also tells you when it's inappropriate to be doing something to somebody. And so you get both ends of the spectrum covered.
Even if a facility like HeartPlace operates at 99% efficiency, treating 160,000 patients a year, 1,600 patients would not be identified for appropriate care. By implementing Emerge, that small percentage of misdiagnosis is eliminated, improving care, efficiency, and even the bottom line.
Emerge kind of blends the clinical side with the business side to come up with the right mixture and the right direction for that patient.
With Emerge, everybody wins. The doctors, the patients, and the insurance companies.
This really is a game changer and can dramatically change the way a practice operates, and from an efficiency standpoint all the way to adhering to those critically important clinical guidelines.
Emerge CDS, keeping people healthy, one click and one heartbeat at a time. I'm Grant Stinchfield, and this is a Lone Star Business Report.